Let's explore some advanced words and phrases to enhance your navigation skills. Hello and welcome to part 4, a lesson to improve your vocabulary to ask for directions. If you haven't watched the previous parts, make sure to click here and watch them after this video. Let's start today's lesson with the word pedestrian. Repeat, pedestrian. Pedestrian. Pedestrian is a person that travels on foot, like a walker or a hiker. These people must use the pedestrian crossing. For example, there's a pedestrian crossing ahead. Let's wait for the lights. Up next is the word mile. 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 A mile is a unit of distance equal to 5,280 feet or 1,609 meters. For example, the park is about 2 miles away from here. Next word is turn signal. Turn signal. Turn signal. Turn signal is a device on vehicle that indicates the intention to turn right or turn left. For example, don't forget to use the turn signal when making a right turn. Another necessary word is exit. 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 Exit is a way out, typically from a freeway, highway, or a building. For example, take the next exit to go onto the main road. Our final word for today is lane closure. Repeat, lane closure. Lane closure. Lane closure. A lane closure occurs when one or more lanes of a road are blocked off due to construction or an accident. For example, there is a lane closure up ahead. We'll need what? Watch the previous video and figure out what we need. If you already know the word, comment it below. Fantastic job! You finished another English lesson. Keep practicing and applying today's words in your conversations. I'll be back soon with another lesson to help you speak more confidently when it comes to directions. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for it. See you soon!